Hello guys, today we are making lentils akara. Right, that's fun, right? So we're gonna be needing pepper, some stock cubes, some oil, salt, some crayfish, and onions, and of course water. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna be pouring water in the blender, and then we go ahead and give our lentils a very good wash. You need to wash it. I washed mine like 3 to 4 times before pouring it into my food processor. You can use any blender you have. So just add the lentils and all your ingredients, like I said, the stock cube, the pepper. Adjust your seasoning the way you like. If you know how you make your regular akara, just do the same. There is no difference. Believe me, when you're done with this, you will not know if you actually use our regular Nigerian brown beans or black eyed peas. You're not even going to know the difference because it tastes the same to me. It tastes the same. It feels the same. The color might be slightly brown just because I'm using the brown lentils. Remember, they have pink or red lentils. If you want it to look red like our akara, like the ones on the sell on the streets, you could use a red lentil, and then you see it's the same color. Mine is going to come out a little brown because my lentils that I'm using is brown. So here I'm just mixing everything together. It's already blended. Blend it to smooth as you want. I don't like it too smooth. I also tested for salt and it was perfect. I like it, not all the way smooth, but a little rough, with a little rough edge in it. So my oil was already warm. You see, I brought out my pan for frying, my raggedy old looking pan that I like to use to fry my akara. You need a deep pot for akara. So I'm just scooping it with my ice cream scoop, scooping it into the warm oil. I did not allow the oil to go too hot so it doesn't cook so quick outside and not done inside. So that's just what I'm doing here, gradually putting it, scooping it into the oil. And I'm going to fry them 3 minutes on each side. When one side is done for 3 minutes, I turn it over, flip over to the next. You see how beautiful that color is? Does it really look like any other thing but beans? I don't think so. So right now it's done. It's already 6 minutes and I'm bringing it out, putting it in the paper towel to dry out the excess oil. That's all you got to do. It's amazing, guys. I love this. I always enjoy it. My family enjoys it. Look at the inside. Well done. Like I said, it's brown because of the color of lentils I'm using. So here I'm eating mine with custard. I'm using our famous peak milk. You could use any milk you have. I love this for custard or pap. So that's what I'm using right here to enjoy myself this beautiful day. So go ahead and make yours, guys. You will enjoy it. Let me know in the comment box below if you tried it out, how you felt about it, how it tasted. Thank you for watching. Bye.